Hello, I want to wish all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. I hope you had a wonderful time with your family this weekend and was able to enjoy a little bit and take that breath that I know we all need. I'm so excited to tell you about so many things that are going on at Inspira. First of all, we are very proud to be sponsoring with the First Lady, Tammy Murphy, the Salem Family Fun Day, which is on May 20th at the Martin Luther King Park in Salem City. It runs from 11 to 3, and we are joining a whole bunch of government agencies and local nonprofits who are talking about how to live healthy and the services that we provide. And then there are also fun things for the kids to do as well. We just thought it was a great way to affirm our entry into that part of Salem County and really stand shoulder to shoulder with the First Lady. She has been such an advocate for trying to reduce maternal mortality, really looking at how we make sure that we bring children healthy into the world and really have the full range of supports for them. So we really want to commend her for all of her work. We're glad to partner with her and all of the agencies to make sure that we're serving our community. In continuing the whole theme of partnership, I'm very proud to have partnered with the Rowan College of South Jersey and Rowan University to announce the new Allied Health and Respiratory Therapy program at Rowan College of South Jersey in Gloucester County. We have received full approval for the program. We did a ribbon cutting, we did the tour to show all the wonderful programming that has been created. We appreciate all the work of Dr. Sue Hall and Dr. Fred Keating, and obviously the continued support from Dr. Ali Hushman to be able to stand up these programs. An acknowledgement for all of these partnerships has really come from a very humbling award that Inspira was able to accept, and I was able to accept on behalf of all of Inspira from Ascenda. Ascenda has created a partnership award to recognize organizations that not only provide services themselves, but extend themselves to others to be able to partner to try and lift up the entire community. And I'm so proud that Inspira was acknowledged for the great work that has been done. They acknowledged it in reference to what I just talked about, the Rowan College of South Jersey partnership. We have a very strong partnership with M25, which is a housing collaborative to try and ensure that people who are homeless have the opportunity to have independent housing. And again, we partner with a variety of organizations to be able to do that work. The prosecutor has been a great partner in really looking at how to stem community violence and really going after federal dollars to be able to bring more resources to our community, but really able to support local nonprofits to be able to really be on the street with our kids to be able to real time try and de-escalate those situations. One of the unlikely partnerships you may not expect is with Horizon Blue Cross and Blue Shield. The Horizon Foundation has funded the community health worker this program that we have done. We've established in Millville, and that individual is actually known to the community, has all the resources and contacts within the community, and then she helps our patients who come in for a medical need but may actually have eligibility for other programs, whether it be housing or food or anything else that they may be able to need. Then we can connect them to those programs in the community. The only way any of that can happen is because of the tremendous leadership of the Inspira clinicians and staff every single day, really listening to our patients and finding ways for us to help beyond just their healthcare needs. So another exciting recognition has been for our physicians. There's a process that happens through Castle Connolly where doctors vote for each other on who they think the top docs are. There's also an opportunity for patients to weigh in, and we're so very pleased to see all of the physicians you see on the screen that have been recognized by the Philadelphia Magazine. It's such a wonderful acknowledgement. Obviously, we're all biased. We think all of our physicians are wonderful, but this really comes from their peers and from their patients. So congratulations to all of you. Part of how that recognition for top physicians translates is into the hospital work that we do. And I'm so very proud to tell you again, all three hospitals, Vineland, Mullica Hill, and Elmer, have all received Leapfrog A. This is the highest ranking and a quality score that's done by a national organization. They take all of our clinical data, they look at the patient customer satisfaction reports, and they put that all together in a algorithm, and they come up with the scores. So we're so very, very proud of all that work, and it happens day in and day out from our very, very just tremendously talented staff. I want to thank and congratulate all of them and thank all of you for your continued trust in us. One of the ways that excellence translates itself is into individual programs, into individual people. And today I want to tell you about Janet Lancaster. Janet is from West Deptford, and her doctor worked with her and diagnosed her as pre-diabetic. And Janet, really doubled down, and she said, okay, I know that I may ultimately get diabetes, but how can I prevent that, and how can I minimize the impact of that? The first thing Janet did was partner with our diabetes education program here at Inspira. She was assigned to Marita Shroy, and Marita is her partner in this, learning about how to eat better, learning how to stay healthy, learning how to exercise, and how to manage her diabetes. And Janet really talked about the support that she has received and how she really feels like she's in this together with us, at her side, not just with a diagnosis and then, potentially insulin, but really just trying to figure out those steps along the way. And how can she either work to delay it, or how, most importantly, can she make sure she's in control of it? Because we know that that really is the critical element for diabetics. So as Janet had to move from her oral medication to her injectable medication, she worked with Dr. Vecchio, her endocrinologist, Gail Gasperon, her dietitian, and of course Marita Shroy, all working as a team to help her through that process. This is another example of how we're trying to partner. We're very proud of what I talked about earlier, the Ascenda recognition, but it really is about how we run the business, really making sure we partner with our patients, with our community, and making sure that we're doing what we can to lift up the entire community. Until we meet again, be well and stay safe.